Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, tweezers, and a suction cup. These tools are essential for safely removing the screen without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. This is a crucial step to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the device's rear. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently separate the back cover from the device. Be careful during this step to avoid cracking the plastic. If you find it difficult, applying a bit of heat to the edges can help loosen the adhesive. After removing the back cover, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. If you're unsure about performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify any other potential issues. With the back cover off, locate the screen connectors. These are usually secured with small screws. Carefully remove these screws and disconnect the screen's ribbon cables using tweezers. Take your time during this process to avoid damaging any components. Now, you can lift the old screen away from the device. If the screen is stuck, gently use the suction cup to create some space, making it easier to detach. If you don't have the tools for this, recall that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Next, unpack your new screen and align it with the connection points in the device. Connect the ribbon cables securely and replace the screws to hold them in place. It's important to ensure all connections are snug, as this will prevent display issues later on. Once the new screen is connected, carefully replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently but firmly to ensure a good seal. You can use the plastic prying tool to help close any gaps if necessary. Again, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, know that we provide no calls, no travel service, which means you can avoid the hassle of going to a repair shop. Finally, power on your device to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If you see any issues, it may be best to consult with professionals. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without surprises. Follow these steps, and you can successfully replace your screen with ease. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.